Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to edit the legend text within a chart. You can see that this is taking up too much space in my chart, and what the chart does by default is just pick up the column headings that you have in your data. Now, the simplest way of changing this text is to change the text within your data. So for example, if I just got rid of regional sales there, you'll see that it reflects that change within the legend itself. But there may be situations where you have to keep the underlying data as it is, but you still want to change the legend text in your chart. So how do we do that? Well, what you do is you select your chart, and then you go up to the chart design tab, or it may just say design for you, on your ribbon, and then you go to select data. And here you'll see the 3 series, or however many series you're using in your chart. And what you have to do is select the first series, go to edit, and then in the edit series dialog box, you need to change the series name. And you can see at the moment it's pointing at this cell. We don't want it to do that anymore. And you just type in the text that you want to appear in your legend. If I click on OK now, you can see it says 2018. In my data, it still says regional sales 2018. So I need to do this for each of the series. And then I can just click on OK in this dialog box, and you can see that my series now has the amended text, but the underlying column headings stay as they are. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please subscribe, and I will see you next video.